Hello everyone, welcome to Sheng Teach. I'm Sheng. In this video, I will show you how to create a new drive in Windows 11 using the built-in disk management tool. First, right-click the Start button. From the menu, click Disk Management. At the bottom of window, find your C drive. Make sure you select the correct partition. Right-click C drive. Click Shrink Volume. A window called Shrink C will appear. You will see a field called Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. This is where you enter the size you want for your new drive. For example, if you want a 20 GB drive, enter 204x0. Once you have entered the amount you want, click Shrink. Window will now shrink the C drive. After process finish, right-click the unallocated space, then click New Symbol Volume. Click Next, click Next, click Next, Next, click Finish. You should now see your new drive. You can now open the D drive and start storing your files there. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps me continue creating more content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time. Goodbye.